What if the next Mazda SUV didn't just evolve, but completely redefined how premium driving feels? This is the 2026 Mazda CX-60, and at first glance it looks calm and elegant. But look closer, and you start to realize there is something very different happening here. From the sharp new front design to the futuristic interior, this SUV is quietly asking one big question. Is this Mazda's most ambitious SUV ever? The 2026 Mazda CX-60 arrives with a design philosophy that feels mature, confident, and premium without trying too hard. From the front, the SUV looks wide and planted. The slim LED headlights stretch horizontally, giving the car a strong presence while keeping that clean Mazda identity. The grille is smoother and more refined, blending naturally into the body rather than standing out aggressively. Move to the side profile and the CX-60 shows off balanced proportions. The long hood, clean shoulder line, and subtle wheel arches give it a luxury SUV stance rather than a sporty one. Large aerodynamic wheels add a modern touch while improving efficiency. This design feels intentional, as if Mazda wanted the CX-60 to age gracefully rather than chase short-term trends. At the rear, the full-width LED light bar instantly catches your eye. The Mazda lettering across the tailgate reinforces the premium feel, while the overall shape stays simple and elegant. No unnecessary angles, no fake exhausts, just a confident and modern look. This is one of those designs that grows on you the longer you look at it. Now let's step inside, because this is where the biggest surprise waits. The interior of the 2026 CX-60 feels closer to a luxury lounge than a traditional SUV cabin. A wide digital display stretches across the dashboard, combining the instrument cluster and infotainment into one seamless screen. The layout is clean and driver-focused, making everything easy to read without distraction. Mazda clearly invested heavily in materials. Soft leather, real wood accents, and subtle ambient lighting create a warm and upscale atmosphere. The steering wheel feels minimalist but solid, while physical controls are still present where they matter most. This balance between digital and tactile controls is something many brands struggle with, but Mazda gets it right here. While Mazda has not revealed every technical detail yet, there are strong hints that this CX-60 is more than just a comfortable cruiser. Rumors point to advanced hybrid powertrains, improved all-wheel drive systems, and a driving experience tuned for smoothness rather than raw speed. Mazda may be quietly building an SUV that challenges premium brands without shouting about it. Comfort is another key focus. The seats look deeply cushioned and supportive, designed for long drives rather than quick sprints. Rear passengers benefit from generous legroom and a calm cabin environment. Road noise is expected to be minimal, making this SUV ideal for both city commuting and long highway journeys. Technology plays a supporting role rather than dominating the experience. Smart driver assistance systems work in the background, helping with safety and confidence without overwhelming the driver. Everything about the CX-60 feels thoughtfully integrated, not forced.